In this session we're going to look at Printers in Store Manager. Printers are accessible through the File menu item, and we go down here to Printer Setup. We'll press the F2 key here to give us the overall help on this page. And you see here there are shortcut keys that are available in printer maintenance. Press the F1 key now and find out what we can do. The printer code can be up to 25 characters long. You can go and find a printer code. If one exists, when you've typed it in, it'll be displayed for viewing or editing, and you'll be prompted to create it if it doesn't exist. Let's go ahead and have a look at how the printers are set up in Store Manager. We'll go and find a printer, so we'll click on here, and we're going to be looking for, let's say, the invoice printer for now. Okay, so here we go, there's an invoice printer, and we'll go into the edit mode so things are easier to see. As you see, there's a description. You could actually, instead of having that invoice printer, you could call it the actual name of the printer you're using. The type of printer is defined by this button here. Now, most commonly we use is a PDF direct method. E-commerce allows you to send the report to an e-commerce site. The docket printer is in most instances a 40 character wide text printer that prints the receipt dockets in most stores. A barcode printer is for printing your barcode labels. A connote printer would be for printing connote labels for sticking on packages for freight companies. An SMS device will allow you to send out an SMS message. A text printer is a straight dot matrix style printer, and the PCL is your standard HP LaserJet PCL 5, 5E, 5C, 6 format. We'll go back to the PDF Direct. Now, the device is used in Windows mainly. It can be used in Linux and also in OS X, but this is where the output of the printer is going to go to. Now, if you have a printer set up on your computer, it might be something like HP LJ1200 in there as a device name, or it could be / a server name / the printer name if it's on a printer server, or it could just be something like LPT : or LPT1 : to say print it directly to the printer port. The printer name here is used exclusively in Unix environments and is the name that is used by the Common Unix Printing System, or CUPS as it is known. The letterhead button here indicates when this printer is used, and the report that you're printing contains a letterhead whether you print it or not. If you are using pre-printed letterhead, you would mark this as no. If you have a banner set up in your company, then you'd mark it as yes, and it would use the banner image that is in the company. The printer available indicates whether the printer is there or whether it's been taken off for repair or something like that. The controls on the printer allow you to set various settings relating to the printer, and in most instances there is absolutely nothing you need to set in here. For example, DOC and press the tab key. Here we have a docket printer. If I go and have a look at the controls on this, we'll see that there are 7 line feeds set up to cause the docket to be ejected, where you can tear it off. It also has a set of codes in here to eject the cash drawer, and also a code here that will allow it to automatically cut the paper if your printer actually has that option fitted. Just go back to the details here for a tick on this one, and we'll go in the edit mode to make things easier to see. This one is set up as a docket printer, which means when you go to print the invoice, docket, whatever it is in point of sale, it will automatically print to this device, and there is no need for a letterhead. With the button here for printer available, if the printer is marked as not available, then the printer does not come up in the list of choices where you can print to with the printer dialog. And that's the end of the printer maintenance.